Hello, I'm Firefighter Goldstein, Milford Fire Department. Some of you guys know me as Stickers. And today I'm going to read a book for you guys. And the book is Around the Pond, Who's Been Here? By Lindsay Barrett George. It is a warm and muggy on this summer afternoon. "Cammy," says William, "Mom says if we picked enough blueberries, we can make a piece of pie for dinner." "Let's go," says Cammy. Cammy and her brother grab their berry containers and follow the old deer path that circles the pond. A dead sugar maple stands alone by the water's edge. White feathers are stuck to the bark around a hole. Who's been here? Two baby wood ducks. And there are the two baby wood ducks. Sam finds a stick. He wants someone to throw it. "Not now, Sam," William says. "We've got to pick blueberries." Their dog lies down on the soft moss. "William, look at this footprint," says Cammy. "Who's been here?" A baby raccoon. A tree has fallen across the path and into the pond. William dangles his feet in the water. He sees a shallow crater on the sandy bottom. Who's been here? A sunfish. Cammy and William reach a patch of swamp azalea. They see a pile of branches and mud. Who's been here? A beaver. Bits of broken shell lie on the sunny bank. The children stop to take a closer look. William picks up a piece of shell. It is soft. Who's been here? A painted terrapin, which is also a turtle. Cammy and her brother stop in front of a large blueberry bush. They pick and eat. Sam likes blueberries too. Cammy points to a long, filmy shape caught on the branches. Who's been here? A garter snake. And there's the snake. There's the head, all the way to the tail. Sam wades into the pond and takes a drink. A red-winged blackbird scolds from a nearby branch. A large gray feather floats next to a lily pad. Who's been here? A great blue heron. The pond is quiet and still. The late afternoon sky turns pink. "Let's go wading," says Cammy. "The mud is soft and squishy." "Look at all the mussel shells," says William. "Who's been here?" And there's all the mussel shells. An otter. Cammy and William reach the dock. They have eaten most of their blueberries. But look, 2 full pails of blueberries are waiting for them. Who's been here? They know. "Come and join us," calls their father, and in they go. The end.